Hello everyone, hope you all are doing well. Today, we'll dive into Azure's powerful tools to safeguard your data and applications. We will discuss the Microsoft authentication methods that uses Microsoft Entra ID and MFA, which is multi-factor authentication. But before you begin with the session, make sure that you have subscribed to our channel and clicked on this bell icon so that you may never miss an update from us. To begin with, let's overview the importance of identity and access management in cybersecurity. Identity and access management, or IAM for short, is fundamental to securing our digital world. It's essentially the gatekeeper of cybersecurity, which is responsible for managing who gets access to what within an organization's digital realm. IAM isn't just important, it's crucial. It's the frontline defense against unauthorized access, data breaches, and even those sneaky insider threats. Now let's zoom in and see how Microsoft Entra ID and multi-factor authentication fit into this puzzle. Let's start with discussing Microsoft Entra ID. It's like your organization's protector for managing identities in the digital world. Imagine it as this comprehensive platform that's got your back when it comes to who gets access to what. Entra ID puts you in charge, giving you the tools to set up and enforce security policies, manage user access, and keep everything running smoothly across the Microsoft universe. With Entra ID, you have got this centralized hub where you can fine tune who can access what. Plus, it comes packed with features like single sign on and multi factor authentication, adding extra layers of security without making life harder for your users. So, in a nutshell, Microsoft Entra ID is your go to identity management tool, helping you keep things secure, organized, and efficient in today's fast paced digital landscape. Now, let's look into some of the major benefits offered by Microsoft Entra ID. The first is improved security. Microsoft Entra ID strengthens security with features like multi factor authentication and centralized identity management. It's like having a digital guardian that keeps threats at bay and ensures consistent security policies organization wide. Then we have simplified user access. You can avoid password overload. Entra ID offers single sign on and seamless integration with Microsoft services, making it easy for users to access everything that they need with just one login. Plus, self service options empower users to manage their accounts hassle free. Then we have enhanced productivity. You can boost productivity with Entra ID's suite of tools and collaboration platforms within the Microsoft ecosystem. Its user friendly interface minimizes downtime from authentication issues, and seamless integration means access to resources from anywhere, promoting collaboration and remote work. By tapping into the power of Microsoft Entra ID, organizations can unlock a whole new level of security, user access simplicity, and productivity, setting the stage for growth and success. Now let's move on to multi factor authentication. It's a process in which users are prompted during the sign in process for an additional form of identification, such as a code on their cell phone or a fingerprint scan. If you only use a password to authenticate a user, it leaves an insecure vector for attack. If the password is weak or has been exposed elsewhere, an attacker could use it to gain access. When you require a second form of authentication, security is increased because this additional factor isn't something that's easy for an attacker to obtain or duplicate. Microsoft multi-factor authentication works by requiring two or more of the following authentication method. Something you know, typically a password, then something you have, such as a trusted device that's not easy to duplicate, like a cell phone or a hardware key. Then something you are, biometrics, like a fingerprint or face scan. Microsoft multi-factor authentication can also further secure password reset. When users register themselves for Microsoft Entra multi-factor authentication, they can also register for self-service password reset in one step.